Hi, I'd like to share with you 3 tips to pack your suitcase. I'm Marsha Ramsland, the organizing pro, and I'm excited that you might be going on a trip. I love to go on trips, but sometimes they're spread far apart and I forget what there is to do. So I have learned what to do, put it in a one-page trip packing made easy checklist that you can download for free. But let me give you those 3 tips to pack. The first thing is get your suitcase out and also have the trip packing list of what outfits you're going to take. Now, I didn't say clothes, I said outfits. That way you can think about what do I need for each of the days that I'll be away. Is there some way that I could have the same shoes for a couple of these? And could I stick in a color theme so that jewelry would go together and the shoes would, and I have to minimize the shoes. So, and knowing that, then the first thing you do is open your suitcase and look at the end where the wheels are. Usually they're at one end, so you stand it upright, and the heavies should be at that end. The heavies are your shoes. You're going to lay them on the bottom of the suitcase, and then you're going to be able to put in the soft clothes in between those shoes, which I hope you have in some kind of plastic bag so that they won't get any dirt on everything else. Inside the shoes, be sure to put socks or nylons or scarves, and that way you've made the most of those shoes, okay? The second thing is you want to find out if there's a hair dryer at the place you're going so that you don't have to pack one, or like me, I got a hair dryer and it's very small, and then wrap it inside a sweatshirt or one of your clothing items that won't snag at all. Now, the third tip that I'd like to give you is one that I use. And what I do is put a dry cleaning bag flat on the bed, and then I fold my clothes that match the size of the suitcase, so not too many folds in them, fewer the better, and then take the plastic and wrap the top over and then the other side over like a burrito, and then you lift it up and you put it on top of those heavy things on the bottom of the suitcase. And then here's a bonus: put in your makeup and your makeup bag and your jewelry and your vitamins around the edges of the suitcase. And always have your underwear in like the front right corner and the dirty underwear in the back left corner so that you don't get them mixed up. And that way you're living out of your suitcase and you have everything separate. Okay? Then, lastly, when you close that suitcase, put a business card or your address in the top. So, if by chance the security opens it and it gets lost, you will still have your address in there and phone number so they can reach you. Okay? Remember, the airline will turn your suitcase upside down to go up the rack, and that way, that's why you put your clothes on the top. And if you are packing in a car, you can be sure no one is packing carefully. So that's why you have to do this padded way of doing your suitcase. All right? I'm Marsha Ramsland, your organizing pro, and you too can pack your suitcase better than you've done before. Make sure you get those outfits and the trip packing made easy checklist so that you can do these things ahead of time. Okay? Go to organizingpro.com. I'll see you there and have a wonderful trip. All right, maybe I'll see you on an airplane. Bye for now.